As a seller, when the inspection report comes back after the home inspection, you could find minor issues that could easily have been avoided. That is why preparing for a home inspection is very important. Here are some inexpensive to no-cost fixes that you can do to get ready for the home inspection. Number 1, trim the plants around your home. The home inspector will indicate on the report if there are plants, shrubs, and trees too close or actually touching the structure, as they allow rodents, pests, and insects to get into the home or foundation. Number 2, make sure the gutters are clean and properly connected. Check if gutters are attached properly, and if not, have them fixed. Make sure they properly divert the water away from the home. Number 3, examine the areas around your home and see if you have a negative slope towards the foundation that could allow water to settle at the foundation. Make sure the water drains away from the house. Depending, you can get soil and add it to the area to create proper grading and prevent moisture from accumulating at or under the foundation. Number 4, change your furnace filter. The home inspector will inspect the condition of the HVAC units, so it is a good idea to change the filters and, if possible, have the unit serviced before the inspection. Number 5, test your light switches and replace any light bulbs that are burned out or damaged. Go through your house and make sure that all light bulb sockets have a functioning light bulb in them. Number 6, check for leaks. Check for leaks under the sinks, at the faucets, and toilets. And if there are issues, have them fixed. Remove any drain clogs and repair any water damage. Number 7, test and function items the inspector will test. This includes windows, locks, and doors. Flush toilets and run all faucets. Run the ceiling fans and try all light switches. Operate the garage doors manually and with the remote. Test reverse safety setting. And number 8, be sure your house is clean and declutter inspection access points. The standards of practice do not require the inspector to move the homeowner's stuff. Also, a dirty or messy home will make the home inspector suspicious that other house areas aren't properly maintained. Have your home clean and tidy. Homebuyers aren't expecting your house to be perfect, but they certainly want to know if your home is worth their investment. Preparing for the home inspection will help keep you from being surprised by unexpected issues within your home.